these socks are my design. They're available, the pattern is available on Ravelry. It's called the Lincoln Avenue socks, and even though it looks like there's a cable, that's just a twist. So it's just a decrease and then an increase that creates that really pretty cable pattern. So I really love these socks. I try not to wear them too often because I'm scared of wearing them out, but really I should just knit another pair and it would take care of that. Good morning. I woke up so tired this morning, but I just finished my coffee and I'm feeling much better. I'm knitting on the Gypsy Soul socks a little bit this morning, and then I'm gonna head back and get started on glazing and painting orders and the new designs too, so I can get those taken, get pictures taken of those and post them on Instagram, because it is Thursday. Isn't it Thursday? Yes, it's Thursday. So and then I need to oh, and then after we get the kids from school, I want us to all go to the coffee shop together and go grocery shopping because we are a little bit low on food. Rory is playing with some of her favorite toys this morning. This is Phoebe Mermouse that I made her over the summer, and her knit Phoebe, which I made her, gosh, a couple years ago, I would say. And then this is Will's boy Phoebe. And then this is Will's Mermouse. So. And then down here we have a little crocheted ballerina kitty that I also made a long time ago that she really likes. Just got a really exciting package from my friend Jen. We did a swap for a 12-day advent and it's the 12th, so I get to open one, and I'm just gonna do it right now because I can't wait. Although I probably should tell her it arrived first. I'm gonna do that real quick and then I will open it. Okay, I just talked to Jen. They are not numbered. I get to just choose a package every day, and so I'm going to open this one first. It says something in case you don't want to share the chocolate, because I know she sent me chocolate in here, and it says plus something cute. So we're gonna open this. Okay, seriously, Jen, I already took out the thing. Look at this. It's a light up, I think it's ceramic or it might be resin, narwhal, because she and I have bonded over narwhals. I think that's actually how we started talking. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Thank you, Jen. Yum. So I am glazing, as you can see. The first batch is up, and then I have probably another line and a half to do, and then I'll be done. I'll be ready to take pictures, but I still haven't edited Vlogmas yet. Hopefully you guys don't hear any wind. I've got the fan going over here, and I've got Miss Siri back here with me as usual. But I still haven't edited Vlogmas from yesterday, so I'm going to do that real quick, and hopefully it gets put up pretty quick. We are headed to get the kids, and then we're gonna go to the coffee shop and have a coffee and cocoa date and go get groceries. So yeah, it should be a fun evening. It is almost 7 o'clock and I'm back in the studio. We've had supper and put the kids to bed. Well, at least they're laying down. They're not asleep yet. But I need to finish taking pictures with my light box and post them to Instagram, and then I get to relax for the rest of the night. We did not get our Advent reading done tonight. Wah wah. I was just really tired. I didn't get the bulk batch of ornaments done that I thought I would because we ended up going shopping. So the kids are okay with it because we're going to do 2 tomorrow night. And yeah, I'm just going to relax tonight. I got all the pictures put up. People seem to really like the new designs this week, which is always a huge relief. And now I'm getting ready to have a treat. And Molly, this is your fault. I got chocolate muffins. And I'm really excited about it. I could have made them myself, but they were on the shelf and they wanted to be bought. It's not my fault.